I think I messed up. You know that feeling when you open your fridge, excited to enjoy some fresh berries, only to find them mushy and spoiled? It's incredibly frustrating, isn't it? You might be wondering what went wrong. My berries always seem to spoil overnight, so it's like they have a mind of their own, turning bad just when you need them the most. But what if I told you there's a sneaky culprit behind this rapid spoilage? Ethylene gas. It's the invisible villain making your berries spoil. Ethylene is a colourless, odourless gas that plants produce naturally. While it plays a crucial role in the ripening process, it can also be a double-edged sword. For delicate fruits like berries, too much ethylene can accelerate spoilage, leading to mould and decay. But what if I told you there's a way to fight back? Yes, you can actually take control and extend the life of your precious berries. Imagine being able to enjoy fresh, delicious berries for days longer than usual. Sounds like a dream, right? Ethylene is a natural plant hormone. It's involved in various stages of plant growth and development, including the ripening of fruits. When fruits like berries produce ethylene, it triggers a series of biochemical reactions that lead to ripening. However, in the case of berries, this process can happen too quickly, causing them to spoil before you have a chance to enjoy them. It speeds up ripening. You might have noticed how berries change colour and texture as they ripen. This is all thanks to ethylene. While this is a natural and necessary process, it can be problematic when it happens too fast. The key is to find a balance that allows the berries to ripen without spoiling too quickly. And for berries, that means quick spoilage and disease. When ethylene levels are too high, berries can become overripe and susceptible to mold and other diseases. This not only affects their taste and texture, but also makes them unsafe to eat. So how can we prevent this from happening? Here's the trick. Removing ethylene from storage areas. By reducing the amount of ethylene gas in the environment where your berries are stored, you can significantly slow down the ripening process. This means your berries will stay fresh and delicious for a longer period. But how do you do that? You can use ethylene absorbers or special filters. These products are designed to capture and neutralize ethylene gas, preventing it from affecting your berries. They are easy to use and can be placed in your refrigerator or storage area. By using these absorbers, you create an environment that keeps ethylene levels low, ensuring your berries stay fresh and tasty. It's like giving your berries a superpower. Imagine this. You buy a batch of fresh strawberries on Monday. Normally by midweek, they would start to show signs of spoilage. But with ethylene absorbers, they remain vibrant and delicious. It's almost like magic, but it's actually science at work. You buy fresh strawberries on Monday. You carefully select the ripest, juiciest berries at the market, excited to enjoy them throughout the week. You bring them home, place them in your fridge, and eagerly anticipate the sweet, refreshing taste. By Friday, they still look fresh and taste amazing. Thanks to the ethylene absorbers, your berries have maintained their freshness. You can enjoy them in your morning yogurt as a snack or in a delicious dessert. No more rushing to eat them before they go bad. All thanks to less ethylene. By controlling the levels of this natural gas, you can extend the shelf life of your berries. It's a simple yet effective solution that makes a big difference. You'll waste less food and get more enjoyment out of your purchases. So next time you grab a berry, think about ethylene. Keep it low, keep them fresher for a longer, stay berry happy. And remember, a little knowledge about ethylene can go a long way in preserving the quality of your fruits. Share this tip with your friends and family, and let's all enjoy fresher berries together. Have you ever wondered how fruits ripen? It's a fascinating process, driven by a natural plant hormone called ethylene. Ethylene is produced by fruits and vegetables as they mature. It plays a vital role in the ripening process, making fruits sweeter, softer, and more flavorful. But how exactly does this happen? When ethylene is released, it triggers a series of biochemical reactions within the fruit. These reactions break down complex carbohydrates into simpler sugars, giving the fruit its characteristic sweetness. At the same time, the fruit's cell walls begin to soften, making it easier to bite into and enjoy. This is why ripe fruits are often juicier and more palatable than their unripe counterparts. However, ethylene doesn't just affect the taste and texture of fruits, it also has a significant impact on their color. As ethylene levels rise, chlorophyll in the fruit's skin breaks down, revealing vibrant hues of red, orange, and yellow. This is why bananas turn from green to yellow, and why tomatoes change from green to red. But there's a catch. While ethylene is essential for ripening, too much of it can lead to over-ripening and spoilage. This is particularly true for delicate fruits like berries, which can quickly become mushy and moldy if exposed to excessive ethylene. So, how can we manage ethylene levels to ensure our fruits ripen perfectly without spoiling? One effective method is to use ethylene absorbers, as we discussed earlier. These handy tools can help maintain the right balance of ethylene, allowing fruits to ripen naturally while extending their shelf life. Another tip is to store ethylene-producing fruits separately from ethylene-sensitive ones. For example, keep bananas and apples away from berries and leafy greens. This simple step can make a big difference in preserving the freshness of your produce. In summary, ethylene is a powerful hormone that drives the ripening process. By understanding how it works and taking steps to manage its levels, you can enjoy perfectly ripe fruits for longer. So, next time you savor a sweet, juicy peach or a vibrant red tomato, remember the vital role ethylene plays in bringing out their best flavors. Stay tuned for more tips on keeping your fruits and vegetables fresh and delicious. And as always, stay berry happy. In this chapter, we'll explore various methods to remove ethylene, ensuring your fruits and vegetables stay fresh longer. Ethylene management is crucial for both commercial producers and home consumers. First up, ethylene absorbers. These are small packets containing substances like potassium permanganate, which oxidizes ethylene into harmless compounds. You can place these absorbers in your fruit storage areas such as refrigerators or produce drawers to keep ethylene levels in check. Another effective solution is activated carbon filters. These filters can be installed in your refrigerator to continually absorb ethylene gas, helping to prolong the freshness of your produce. They are particularly useful for households that store a variety of fruits and vegetables together. Ethylene scrubbers are another advanced method used mainly in commercial settings. These machines actively remove ethylene from the air, making them ideal for large-scale storage facilities. They work by circulating air through filters that trap and neutralize ethylene molecules. For those who prefer a more natural approach, using ethylene-inhibiting products like 1-MCP, 1-methylcyclopropene, can be beneficial. 1-MCP binds to the ethylene receptors in fruits and vegetables, effectively blocking the hormone's action and slowing down the ripening process. Lastly, proper storage techniques can also make a big difference. As mentioned earlier, keeping ethylene-producing fruits separate from ethylene-sensitive ones is a simple yet effective strategy. Additionally, maintaining the right temperature and humidity levels in your storage areas can help minimize ethylene production and its effects. By employing these methods, you can significantly extend the shelf life of your fruits and vegetables, reducing waste and saving money. So, whether you're a home gardener or a commercial producer, understanding and managing ethylene is key to enjoying fresher, longer-lasting produce. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on keeping your produce at its best. Until then, stay very happy.